Today I'm going to enlighten you about Feng Shui. Hi, my name is Harry, your YourChiWiz from fengshuijourney. Well, I've got some great news for you. Today's video is all about teaching you about the practice of Classical Feng Shui. There's absolutely no need to buy any new trinkets, objects to boost the energy in your home. But if you do that, that's okay. I do it. So the premise of Feng Shui is all about energy. What we call in Feng Shui, Qi. The best approach to start with what you already have, what's in your surrounding area, understanding the 5 elements in your home, making sure that we harmonize that into your space so that the flow of Qi can enter into your home, move throughout the space, and permeate with ease. Before I go deep into this topic, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this YouTube video. If you have any topics or burning questions around Feng Shui, leave your comment. We'll take a look at that and make sure that we record a new video for you to really make sure Feng Shui is at ease, at the tip of your fingers, with practical solutions. To help you learn more about Feng Shui and how it works, let's take you around the home. Your home office is essential in setting up for success, abundance, and opportunity. Now, most people look to have their desk positioned with their back towards the wall because this provides support that is needed for your career or if your children are studying. You can maximize the benefit of this by aligning your desk to your personal best direction. Now, how do you do that? It is based on the auspicious direction based on your Mingua, whether it be for success or growth, health or love. Depending on what your priority is, you want to make sure your desk is facing that direction. Like all other furnitures in your home, we also really want to make sure that your desk furniture is also in command position. Make sure that you can see the doorway from your office where you are sitting. Other important tips about the office is to ensure that there's lots of natural light, appropriate lighting, declutter your desk, feng shui your desk. Look at the Bagua and how the 9 guas are in alignment to your desk. Decorate with balance, decorate with intention, and as always, ensure that the 5 elements are balanced for greater harmony, career, and growth potential. I hope that you find that these pointers for your home is valuable, easy, and again, remember, your job is to execute. My job is to give you some of the practical tips. To go deeper into Classical Feng Shui, we will also tie in Chinese astrology. We talked about the Mingua directions for auspicious energy. We'll also look at 5 elements and really taking a look at the placement of the 5 elements in your home. We can also tie that to your bazi and go deep. Make Feng Shui personable. Feng Shui is not just in a box. There's an opportunity for you to innovate and make sure that you are adding the energy, the recommendations, the enhancement, and the tips that are best aligned for your life, for greater health, prosperity, and then most importantly, happiness. I hope you find that this information is valuable. Feel free to message, follow, subscribe, and book your free consultation with me, YourChiWiz with Feng Shui Journey. Visit fengshuijourney.com to book your free consultation.